In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your XRP safely and confidently, using only the built-in options you already have. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app. If you're prompted, log in with your account so you're on the wallet's home screen. From here, tap Transfer. This is where you begin moving crypto into your wallet. Choose Send Crypto, and when the list of assets appears, search for XRP so you're set to send Ripple specifically. Selecting the correct asset here is important because XRP runs on its own network. You want to make sure you're using the XRP network rather than another chain. Before you can complete the send, you'll need your wallet's receiving address for XRP, so go to your Coinbase Wallet home screen. Tap Search, then type XRP and open the XRP Wallet page inside Coinbase Wallet. This page shows your unique XRP address. Tap Copy to grab that address to your clipboard. Take a moment to double check the first and the last few characters so you know it copied correctly. For XRP, many exchanges require a destination tag, but when you're sending to your own self-custody wallet, a tag is typically not needed. If the app doesn't ask for one, you can proceed without it. Now go back to the send flow where the recipient field is waiting and paste your XRP address into the address box. Confirm it matches what you copied. A quick tip: never retype crypto addresses manually. Pasting prevents mistakes. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. You'll see any applicable network fees and an estimate of what will arrive. Keep in mind that the XRP ledger has a small network fee, and new XRP wallets must meet the network's reserve requirement, so make sure you send enough to cover both your intended balance and that minimum. If you're unsure, sending a small test amount first is a smart move. When everything looks correct, asset, address, and amount, tap Send Now. The transaction will be submitted to the XRP network. Most XRP transfers confirm quickly, but allow a minute or two depending on network activity. You can watch the progress on the confirmation screen. Once the transfer is complete, tap Done. You should see your updated XRP balance in Coinbase Wallet shortly after confirmation. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the wallet or give it a moment to sync. And that's it. Your XRP is now safely in your Coinbase wallet under your control.